What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carpenter Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a POV drive just using the paddle shifters in this video. I know you guys are wondering, why are you doing a voice recording? Pretty much, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but I lost a lot of audio, so I only got like pretty much towards the ending of the video. But we're going to make it work. We're going to make something shake. So definitely stay tuned onto this video. And it's just going to jump right into I was on the freeway. And we're going to, just vibe out. Let's get it. So now we're just going to save gas and throw it in 7 gear until we get up off this thing. But one thing that I do want to mention for the people who are new to my channel is that if I do a complete dig, first gear is going to shift for me, and it's going to shift at 6,500. The reason why it's going to do that is because this is a VR transmission with the VR valve body. I didn't switch my 3.7, valve body onto this one to where, it would know to shift at 7,500, because you guys know with the VRs, it redlines at 6,500 and 7,500. Like the VQ. So you guys see that it's normal because I have the VR valve body, but it's cool. Do a straight dig, but we're gonna launch this thing. Who's that? Talk about VQs is slow. Get out of here. Talking about a VQ is slow. These little back roads because of the corners, bro. So fun to drive. Let's see if we can. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but y'all can't really hear the exhaust. That's one thing though, is that what I'm trying to figure out is that, all right, we got some traffic now. Oh, they let me get over. Okay, I see you, boy. Let me go ahead and do my thing. Hold on. I do like about these particular back roads in Mexico is the windy roads and stuff like that. And if you guys heard when I had to get over the dividers, because I wasn't trying to hit the people that was on a bike, they was kind of close onto the road, and then it's like a little pothole that I was trying to dodge too. But yeah, man, this car is so fun. Like I said, I never had paddle shifters before. I never had paddle shifters in a G37. I wanted paddle shifters, but I just never had a chance to get them. But now, since I have them, I ain't gonna lie, it's been a game changer for sure. It's been a game changer, and I like it. It's been fun. It makes driving a car a lot more funner, to be honest, instead of just doing this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's feel like a lot sporty when you know, got the paddle shifters up here, and you know what I'm saying? It's just heck of fun. So I wanted to do a video just dedicated to just using the paddle shifters. I'm gonna do like probably one more pull on the freeway, but we got a lot of activity today in Mexico. There's a lot of stuff going on because it's been raining for so long, and it's an actual nice day out. So, you know, got a lot of activity going on today on this beautiful Saturday, but it's okay. We still gonna get it done. I can't see nothing with this truck, bro. All right, got traffic, of course. Low-key, this be fun. I ain't gonna lie, this be fun, bro. It really put a smile on my face. I really don't understand why people say these are slow cars. Like, honestly, like, I'm gonna do a video about like how underrated, save some gas now, put it at 7. I'm gonna actually do a video of how underrated the VHR motors actually is, because, bro, like, these cars, you know, they call them slow, but to me it's not slow by far. And then another thing is that you can really beat on these motors as long as it's well maintained. You could really have a lot of fun. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like with the G, I was really getting on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Just how I'm doing with this car, having fun. But I kept that thing in well tip-top shape, just how the way I got this. But I'm just saying, bro, it's so fun. Like, you can really just beat on the motor and stuff like that, and it'll just keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. Like, these motors are very underrated. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing a lot more driving videos with this car. I'm actually probably gonna do one more driving video today, so definitely stay tuned to that video. But I catch y'all on the next one.